Welcome. In front of me is a Poco F4 GT, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, and once it's open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this sound along with the pop-up right here, just to signify that you have just captured your screenshot. Now as you can see, the first time around, it sticks around for a little bit longer, giving you the two options that are accessible right here. So have scroll and send. Now quickly sticking with the scroll, which is grayed out for me just because home screen doesn't really have anything I can scroll down on. If you would have something that you can scroll down, for instance like an Instagram app, you can click on that button and it will redirect you to, just show this, so it will redirect you right here. It will start scrolling automatically. You can tap on a page just to stop it from scrolling, and you can do it yourself. From there, click on done, select allow, and save right here. Apparently we can choose our folder, so I'm gonna stick with the screenshots, allow, and there we go. So now our screenshots can be found in the gallery application, either in the photos right here, or if you go into albums, it will create a screenshot album, and as you can see, there are the two screenshots that I have captured, the long one and the normal one. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.